Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. It is to be believed that Samsung is already gearing up for the next Galaxy S lineup, which will get massive major upgrades and features. According to the latest available data, Samsung's most futuristic Galaxy S26 Ultra is reportedly to offer faster performance with this key upgrade. Let's dive into the video for fresh upgrades and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A tipster mentioned in a deleted post on X that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature the fastest memory upgrade in the timeline. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the company's next-generation non-foldable flagship smartphone, could get a major RAM upgrade. As reported by renowned Samsung insider Ice Universe via SamMobile, the device could be equipped with the 10.7 GBPS LPDDR5X RAM, which was first announced by the South Korean tech giant's semiconductor division in April 2024. The new RAM is said to increase the performance of the phone by 25%, while improving the power efficiency by the same percentage. The handset is expected to be launched alongside the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge flagship models. The leaker shared new details. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will have 10.7 GBPS LPDDR5X RAM, the same type as the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's unclear if the capacity will change, as that hasn't been upgraded since the first Galaxy S20 Ultra in 2010. While SamMobile claims that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be the first Samsung phone to be equipped with this new chipset, a conflicting report from GSM Arena claims that it was also used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Since the company does not officially reveal the RAM type, it is difficult to be certain which is the case. Now, 12 GB is more than enough, and it's unlikely that you'll run out of RAM on your phone under normal circumstances. But in recent years, competing Android flagships have normalized 16 GB of RAM as a base, and some go as high as 24 GB. So, if the S26 Ultra will indeed have 12 GB, it will look underpowered compared to the likes of the Xiaomi Ultra, the OnePlus 15, Google's Pixel 10 series, and other biggest rivals. In other hardware departments, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, One UI 8.5 shell, bigger screen, bigger battery, with faster charging to speed in Samsung's timeline, plus a number of camera upgrades, including a new telephoto module. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch in January 2026, alongside the Galaxy S26 Pro and the slimmer Galaxy S26 Edge flagships. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.